Good morning, everyone. It's me, Tommy Tutu, and this is just another Saturday. This Saturday, we are hiking to the Los Penasquitos Waterfall Trail in Poway, California. Well, good morning, everyone. It's me, Tommy Tutu, and welcome to another Saturday. Today, we are hiking the Los Penasquitos Waterfall Trail in Poway, California. This trail is a loop trail, a little over 6 miles. All Trails has it ranked as an easy difficulty. Parking is $5. You can pay cash or a card. And it opens at 8 o'clock a.m. So don't get here early or the gates will be locked. So I've hiked this trail before. Let me go over some things. First of all, they call it a waterfall trail. I don't personally myself consider it a waterfall, but maybe I came on a bad day, so we'll check it out again. Super beautiful trail though. Multiple directions to take, lots of side trails, lots and lots of poison oak on this trail, but you can avoid touching it. It's not, I've been on some trails with poison oak, you can't avoid touching it, but this one you can, even though there's tons of it. Yeah, lots of side trails. Beehives, watch out for the beehives on the side trails. And yeah, I think that's it. Again, the waterfall, I wasn't too impressed with the waterfall on this trail last time, but the trail itself more than makes up for it. This is one of my top 10 favorite trails. Just so beautiful. Lots of bridge crossings and just lots of open space where you just feel free. Lots of little picnic tables, creeks. This is a gorgeous trail, so I'm really excited to be here again today. It's only my second time here, so with all of that being said, let's let the journey begin. I'm on one of the side trails, and all I can say is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. There's a beehive on one of these side trails. I'm trying to find it. And lots of poison oak already. Having so much fun out here. So, when I find the beehive, I'll let you know. Alright, catch up with you later. Okay, so last time I was here, there was a beehive right here, but it's gone now. But there are some mushrooms growing on this tree. But yeah, last time I was here, this was a beehive. Bees were coming in and out and swarming right there, so it's gone now. But yeah, that's what I was looking for, the beehive. So, oh, it's moved on. But yeah, this is on one of the side trails, immediately on the right. So yeah, that would have been cool to see. Caught me by surprise last time, so. Man, I love this trail. If you love like the sound of nature, there are so many sounds to hear. There's birds and all kinds of animals I don't recognize. There's a lot of sound going on here, so this is super awesome. Love this trail and so much to see already. Just barely getting started. So. Alrighty, let's continue. Oh, we're coming up on the bridge crossing. I love the bridge crossings here. Look how beautiful this is. Let's cross. Alright, coming up on my left, there's a big bush of poison hemlock. Right there. That's called poison hemlock. Even after the plant dies, the roots are still poisonous for 3 years. It takes 3 years for the poison to leave the roots of a dead poison hemlock, so don't eat it. Alright, let's continue. Check out this massive poison oak. We are at Carson's Crossing. Alright, here we go. Carson's Crossing. It's a long one. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, I got a little lost here, but I know I'm supposed to go west. So west, that way. All right, you guys, so believe it or not, this is one of my favorite parts of this trail. Even though, as you can see, there's no trees, there's no bushes, no flowers, well, some flowers. There's no creeks or bridges. I just feel so free when I'm just out in an open prairie like this. So it's just a change of pace. It's a little under a mile to go to the destination. And yeah, I love trails where there's just more than one atmosphere. So it starts off all foresty, lots of tree coverage, and it comes here out in the open, wind, open plains. You can see all around you everywhere. I just love this part of the trail. So it also means we're almost there. So when I catch up with you, we'll be close to the waterfall. Okay, and then when you come across this field, you're almost there. You see the sign here. That is waterfall. So, sorry, that rock looks cool. It was distracting me. But yeah, follow this path, and just around this corner is the so-called waterfall. That's Squirrel. All the way up there with my Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, so this area looks familiar. Alright, we're almost there. And here we are at the what they call the waterfall. As usual, it's very crowded. And again, it's not really a waterfall, it's just a rocky creek. So, there you have it. Alright, so I've got my point of view camera on, and we're gonna cross the waterfall. River, whatever you want to call it. So here we go. Oh, I have working with so many injuries right now. I gotta cross this way. Yeah, I'll cross back this way. Really rocky. Right there, that's at the spot. Okay. Okay, slippery, very slippery. All right, we made it. All right. All right, Made it to the other side. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next weekend. Thanks, and God bless you.